Hi, I'm Tracy Norton. I'm the author of the Interactive Citation Workbook and the author of the exercises on the Interactive Citation Workstation on Lexis Plus. This is the 1L's Introduction to Legal Citation, and this will give you a grounding so that you can complete the ICW exercises online using the workbook. So this is a 3-video series. The first video is the Intro to Legal Citation. It should just be the Intro to Legal Citation with one citation, but for some reason when I hit record on this PowerPoint, it adds a citation word there. Anyway, part 2 is the Guide to the Bluebook, and part 3 is the Grammar of Citation. So there are several ICW resources that you have available to you. The ICW itself is available for free on Lexis Plus. And in addition to that, if you weren't assigned the workbook for your course, you can purchase it through the link provided at the beginning of each exercise. And so the workbook and the workstation are a comprehensive learning system that help you learn legal citation. The workbook includes all of the hints that also appear in the online workstation, allowing you to get that guidance about which rules to consult before submitting your answers, and therefore reinforcing the learning process. So this first video, Introduction to Legal Citation, is going to cover the purpose of legal citation. It's going to talk a little bit about legal citation versus other disciplines, and then a couple of other citation manuals that you should be aware of. So the essential purpose of legal citation is attribution and credibility. So legal citation gives credit for another's ideas in your work. And unlike other academic fields where originality is at a premium, in the law, it strengthens your argument and your analysis if the ideas have actually been stated before in a statute or in a case. Now, in a common law system, all of the arguments have to be grounded in precedent. In a civil law system like Louisiana, they still need to be grounded in code, but also in jurisprudence constant, meaning even though cases don't have precedential value, they are still incredibly persuasive about how code provisions ought to be interpreted. Citation is also important for reader navigation. They provide your citations a location that your reader can find if they want to verify your analysis and verify your research. And so they give the reader the information they need to look up your analysis. They also convey a lot of information that is created in a very concise form so that you don't have to spend time explaining that information, like the court that decided something or the year that it was decided. That's conveyed in the citation, so it allows you to make your writing more efficient. And even novel legal arguments, even brand new interpretations of law have to be grounded in established law. And so citation is how we connect our new ideas to the existing legal framework. Legal citation is different than citation in other academic disciplines because, again, we're going beyond nearly simple attribution and letting your reader know where they can find the information and also some information about who wrote the source that you're consulting and when that source was written, because as we know, law evolves and changes over time. And so we want to know at what point in time was the law created that you are citing. The relationship to the argument is also conveyed in citation, and that's different in legal citation as contrasted with other types of citation. And you'll find out how to do that when you use citation signals. And so citations deliver some extensive, valuable information in a shorthand format, and that shorthand format is found in the citation manuals that you will learn about. And the one that you're learning is the Bluebook. So the Bluebook is the uniform standard for legal citation. The citation rules are sort of codified, if you will, in the Blue Book, currently in its 22nd edition that just came out in July of 2025. It's a comprehensive manual and establishes the standards that are used across American legal writing. Now, there are two alternative citation manuals. There's the Allwood or ALWD citation manual, and that citation manual mimics the Blue Book rules, so it has similar or identical rules to the Blue Book, but it is a more comprehensive guide in as far as it explains more about the rules and how to use them. There's also the Chicago Manual of Style and the Maroon Book. Those are used primarily in academic scholarship by a few organizations and law reviews. So while there are alternatives, the Blue Book remains the dominant citation authority in American legal practice.